Ever wonder how we got to have light bulbs in our homes? Let's check out how the first light bulb was invented. A long time ago, before light bulbs, people used candles and gas lamps. The light bulb we use today was invented by a man named Thomas Edison. Edison spent a lot of time trying to find the right materials for the light bulb. He wanted to make something that would glow brightly and last a long time. He discovered that a special type of carbon worked well for the filament inside the bulb. The filament glows when electricity passes through it. Edison put the filament inside a glass bulb and made sure the bulb was sealed. This helped the filament glow without burning out too quickly. With Edison's light bulb, people could light up their homes safely and brightly. It was a big improvement over candles and gas lamps. Today, we have many types of light bulbs. Edison's bulb was just the beginning. Now we use LED bulbs that save energy and last even longer. Even though we have new kinds of bulbs, we still remember how the light bulb started with Edison's invention. It made a big difference in how we light up our world. Now you know about the inventor of the light bulb and how it works. Thanks for joining us today. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching EduCat Studio. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. We have fun stories, cool science, and exciting quizzes for kids. See you next time.